Got these thermometers identical, 72 degrees, 47% humidity. Well, okay, one just dropped to 46%. They both did. At any rate, I'm going to put one of these into the incubator now, and then be back with you when this incubator reaches the preset temp, which is 99.5. So I've got it in the incubator, and this one is down here. It's the same. Now I'll just let this go until it reaches a preset temperature of 99.5 and be back with you. Okay, it's been a few hours now, and this thermometer here is still reading 73.4. This meter up here is reading 99.5, but the thermometer like this that's inside here is reading 95 point something. I've done a snapshot of that, and that will follow. So this is running approximately 4 degrees cooler than display temperature. Next, I'm going to wrap an incubator in a towel and see if we can't bring the temperature up to the level measured on this meter. Okay, I've got this little puppy all wrapped up here. You can still see that the temperature is still showing there, 99.5. And we will see what happens. Give it another hour or so. Try it again. I took a snapshot of the temperature of the Govee inside the unit. There's still a 2.5 degree difference between the Govee temperature meter on the inside and this temperature reading on the outside. And it's been another hour or more since I wrapped this in a towel. Now what I'm going to do is take this towel off, and I'm going to place both meters inside the incubator. Place them side by side, and we'll see what the difference in the temperature readings are between the two Govees. I see obviously the towel had some effect, but not as much as I would have liked. The thermometers inside this incubator read 97.1 and 97.2. The setting on this was at 99.5, and that's what it was reading. I have now increased the setting to 100.5, and I'll give it a few minutes to warm up inside, and then I'll check the temperatures on the thermometers again. Now this is set at 100.5, and the internal temperature according to the Govee thermometers is 98.4. So we'll raise this another degree and see where we get for now. Okay, we'll set it to 101.5. And be back with you later. Okay, the reading on this outside thermometer is reading 101.5 degrees, while the internal reading on both of the Govee Wi-Fi thermometers is reading 99.3 degrees. So this unit runs 2.2 degrees cooler than the reading on the outside says it does. And I will include the snapshot I just took of the internal readings, and I'm going to call this one a wrap. So you all take care. Like, subscribe, comment, and I appreciate your watching. Thank you. Bye.